500 BC to 1250 BC, 750 years, India was called Sone ki Chidi. You know why Sone ki Chidi? There was no industrial revolution, there was no electricity, there was no machinery, no engine. We were exporting spices and herbs,
Clothing.
the fabric before us to a ring.
Yeah.
Which would be made in a handloom. Handloom. We knew how to make a handloom.
Yeah.
We knew how to make that fabric which passes through a ring. We knew which herbs can solve what human ailment. We were not selling spices for taste. We knew this spice will solve this human ailment. So what is that? That is called knowledge.